Hey guys, how's it going? KW from JW Hotels. We are here at the Econo Lodge in Frederick, Maryland, off of I-70. This is this is an old motel, looks like. This is an older one. Everything's one story. Show you. See, everything's one story, drive up to your room type situation. Got like this building, like 3 different buildings. We are room 132. This is a non-smoking room. You can get a smoking room here if you want. The grounds don't look too bad. This room was $66 regular rate at the time I'm doing this video. We're at what, July 20th is when I'm doing this. So yeah, cool. Car security good. I just checked in to this room, so this is a budget hotel. Okay, this window, budget hotel, so we're gonna see we're getting ourselves in here. $66 regular rate. Okay, this window does not lock. That's worrisome. That's why there's this piece of wood right here. There's no screen. So yeah, so a crackhead can come and sleep with you at night. So that's a security issue. Warning lampshade. Lamp does work. Got a chair. Got some stains. Has been some kind of updated. You know, the red accent wall, the flooring. Got a little bit of crumbs on the floor right there. Got a nice sized TV. We'll stay in the office chair. Can't have two. I got some nice reading lamps that don't work. Okay. Let's see what this bed looks like. We got a burn hole there. Burn hole. Expectations can't be too high when you're staying at a budget place like this. Only here for one night. Alright, got first stain there. Kind of smells like cigarettes in here a little bit. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pillows. Nice size pillows. Decent amount of pillows. I dig that. You know the... there's nothing there. Don't look too bad. Another little stain there. Does this one work? No, it does not. Oh. Boom there. Got a little hair right there, so that's nice. Okay. This bed is not terrible. You know, man, that's the only thing I really see. Is it enough for me to turn me away? No, not really. The mattress doesn't look terrible under here. There's some hair on the mattress right there. This bed is okay. Burn holes, that's fine. The rest of it, it's average. You know, this bed right here is enough to get you through the night. What's up? Let's check mini fridge. We have no microwave. Mini fridge seems to be clean. Little bathroom area, closet area. Got a newer floor. Soap. What's up, guys? We have this really loud old vent fan. I don't know if that's dirty or what. That thing's already tripping. You know, what does the shower curtain look like? Shower curtain's not that bad. Okay. I don't know if that's dirty in there or what, but room's not terrible. $66. Can't expect too much. Tells you 32-inch. Here's a desk. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. right here. Econo Lodge show the logo, you know. So, what I'm gonna do in service room dining. 66 bucks. I've been in worse rooms. This is definitely passable for one night. I don't know if it would stay here past one night, maybe 2 nights max. Dang there, so. Then you got your quick connect. I don't know if that's hooked up, but it smells like cigarettes. So this window is the only thing I'll be concerned about. So yeah, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And KW out. Econo Lodge second room. This one has carpet stained. 109. Newer looking bedspreads. Still smells like smoke. This window does lock. Looks like that's gonna fall apart. This is just really worn and not dirty. Smell is bad. Hey guys, so this is just a recap of the Econo Lodge in Frederick. The room. So let's recap. We left the first room because it was, well, the bed was passable. Had not hair and I was a little stained. We could stay there for one night. That was fine, no deal. But you saw the window situation. The window didn't lock. Just had that piece of wood. Saw and there was no screen. Someone could easily get in the room while you're trying to sleep and bug you or whatever if there was something in the room. So obviously that window was a safety issue. We went and tried to get a different room. And the tub was dirty in the first room too. The second room was, we had the newer bedspreads, and you saw it in the clip I had. The tub was just worn, it was not dirty. Well, we did not stay in that room. When I actually stopped recording, there was something, what it looked like spit or jizz or something in the bed. I didn't get that on film, but that's why we moved to that second room, and that's why we decided not to stay there. So I know there's going to be some Karens in the comments saying, the room was only 66 bucks. What could you really expect? Well, I at least expect a locked-in window so no one can come and mug me while I'm sleeping. And I expect and I expect a bed that doesn't have any kind of wet fluids in it. So, no matter how cheap the hotel is, it should have basic security and somewhat clean. I can deal with the hair in the bed, no wet mystery stain substance in the bed. So that's why I left. So I don't want anybody complaining in the comments. It's cheap. I know, I explained that in the video. So I got that out of the way. And the breakfast was closed due to COVID, which is just an excuse. I think they're just lazy and just want to save money and not do breakfast. So that's an excuse. I did get my money back, but I had to go through a process. I got a very reluctant at the front desk. I called the Choice Hotels, gave them a report. They got my money back, but overall, it's just a bad experience for customer service too. I said I could have dealt that first room for the one night we were supposed to be there. That's the window actually locked and was safe. And I could have dealt with that second room if they had some mystery light, some wet some mystery wet substance in the bed. So, yeah. So, yeah, this was an update for the Econo Lodge Frederick, and that being said, KW out.